Hey guys, it's Tiffany Riley. I know of course I've had a lot of requests for me to do this tutorial. Of course, if you guys know, my last tutorial I did was the early 2000s Bride of Chucky look 1, so this is look 2. And this is it's kind of inspired by the little snow fairy thingamabobber. So let's get right to it. First step, of course, you would need concealer, foundation, and powder. If you have those, go ahead and slap them on. But of course, you're going to need primer and everything to, set everything and all that good stuff. I am actually going to be using 3-in-1 primer, rose scented water by Wet n Wild. Couple spritz on that. All over my face. And now we can get started. Of course, if you have cream primer, go ahead and apply that as well. I am actually going to be taking the MARC Mod Pop palette from Avon. And I'm also going to be taking the Wet n Wild crease brush. And I'm actually going to be using white on the crease. And just letting y'all know, if y'all recreate any of these looks, just use the hashtag Tiff's Spring Lookbook 2019 and I will repost some of my favorites. I know my brushes need cleaning. I'm going to try and do this as fast as I can because I have limited storage on my phone. Alright. Now we're going to take the eyeshadow brush, also by Wet n Wild, and we're actually going to put a teal color and tap that all over our lid. The reason why you want to tap it lightly is because we're going to put a darker color later on. And of course, that palette is done, and this is what it should look like so far. Next, I'm gonna be taking the Blackheart Interstellar eyeshadow palette that I bought at Hot Topic long ago, and I am going to be taking a shimmery teal color. This one is an Asteroid, but you can use any shimmery teal that you have, and I'm actually gonna be patting that along the teal that we just did, and I'm also gonna be kind of doing it on the outer corners. I will be right back. I'm gonna finish the rest of this eye. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So this is the completed look so far. The next and final step we're going to do is, of course, lips. Now, I know I didn't do my lips in the photo that I posted on Instagram, but we're going to do it today. You kind of want to get a sparkly kind of purplish color. I'm using LA Colors Brilliant Shine Glitter Gloss in Fuchsia. And I'm applying that all over my lips. And this is the completed look. If you guys recreate any of my spring looks, then use the hashtag Tiff Spring Lookbook 2019. I'll repost some of my faves. All of my stuff will be in social media. Everything will be in the description below. And everything like that. So yeah. Hope you guys are having an amazing day and night wherever you are in the world. See y'all later.